Pinnacle BizTech Ltd offers many services that will make managing your facility operations easier and more efficient. These services include the following: database creation from several data streams, including physical inventories and existing databases. We will cleanse and scrutinize existing data to ensure the newly created database contains consistent, reliable data that will be useful to the business. We are able to create meaningful AutoCAD drawings that include any information that is contained within our consolidated database. These drawings can be output at any time, reflecting the most current data. The Simply Smart suite of applications can be hosted on your network. This suite includes an interactive database front end for adding, searching, viewing, and modifying records. There is also an interactive online mapping app that communicates with your database in real time. Links to the predefined reports allow users to have the information they need at the click of a button. Here are some examples of what Pinnacle BizTech's system can facilitate and who it benefits. Space planners can see vacancies, individual employees, teams, or even entire business units on the floor plate with a mouse click. Visitors and employees alike can search a web-based map for meeting rooms, offices, or any other location within a facility. Move coordinators can easily visualize and plan staff locations by leveraging existing and proposed location data. Pinnacle is very experienced organizing and executing moves from 1 to 3,000 employees with an excellent track record. IT managers and IT security can view individual network port numbers and their locations. Asset management can have up-to-date information about who has specific equipment and where in the facility it is located. We have the ability to generate and/or collect barcode information using several mobile technologies. Facility management and maintenance personnel would benefit from having current information when carrying out work orders and producing nameplates. Business continuity and disaster recovery planning is able to utilize information from the database. Critical staff and their contact information, location, and function can be easily retrieved and distributed when needed.
Here is an overview of the capabilities and features of the Simply Smart database application. We'll start with the login screen. Unique user profiles can be set up to allow for different access rights for different users. For example, read-only, the ability to modify records, access certain reports. Once you're logged in, you'd open the database grid. The information found within the database can be searched, viewed, and modified from this grid. We'll select an individual record. Individual record details can be viewed and modified in the pane that appears below the grid. You can also cycle through other records in the grid. Individual location nameplates can be generated from this particular pane as well. This is an example of a nameplate generated for one workstation. Advanced search functions can be used to search the database as well. The advanced search categories can be customized to reflect any field that's found in the database. For example, we'll search for vacant workstations. The search results appear in the pane. And once again, the details for that record is shown in the detail pane. The database records can be modified in the record detail portion of the screen. We'll find a spelling mistake here, we'll correct it. And then we have choices to cancel the edits, delete the record entirely, or to save the modification. We'll hit save, and that gets saved right back to the database. We are also able to export the current contents of the grid to an Excel worksheet. Some users will find this functionality useful. We'll hide the advanced search box, and links to predefined reports are located in the shortcut bar just to the left of the grid. These reports are customizable and they can use database information, graphics, and calculated fields. This is an example of a space occupancy report that shows exactly how a facility is being used. It can be zoomed in and out and scrolled. The Simply Smart application can provide real-time space calculations for an individual or an entire complex. This would show managers the number of workstations they would have, the square footage, and the associated costs with that. And all the generated reports are in a PDF format, and that allows them to be printed, saved, or emailed. This is an example of a nameplate report. This would allow us to print nameplates for every workstation location in a facility. The tabbed interface allows users to switch between the different screens they have open in a session. Here's an overview of the capabilities and features of the People Find mapping application. Click on the People Find button to display the map. The map of the floor plate can be zoomed in and out. You can click and drag to navigate the map. You can hold Shift and click and drag to zoom into a specific area. Enter a keyword into the search box to receive specific search results found in the database. We'll look for vacant stations. The search results will appear in the pane to the left of the map, and in the top bar there will be the total number of records found and the total square footage they represent. If you click on an individual search result, it will be placed on the map. If you click the orange arrow button, it will place all the search results on the map. So we'll zoom in here to take a look at them. Those are all the vacant stations in our sample facility. Click on any map icon to see the details in a pop-up window, and the fields that are shown in this detail window are customizable. Clear the map. Click on the Advanced Search button to utilize customizable drop-downs that are relational to fields that are actually found in the database. For an example, we'll look for a supervisor's team. There are the search results. Once again, we can click on an individual result or put all the results on the map at the same time. We'll zoom in here and we'll see where this team is located. Once again, we can click and see the details of that particular record. To edit a record, you click on the Edit button and enter your login credentials. You click on the map icon to bring up the detail window, and now you are able to view and edit the record. So we'll go here and change one of the fields. Okay, hit the update button, and it will write it right back to the database. Users are able to view and modify planned moves. First, you select the move number you'd like to view. The search results come up for move 1012. Next, you would click the move button. You can place one search result on the map and see the current existing location represented by an E and the new proposed location represented by a P. You can click on the E to see the details once more. If you click on the orange arrow, it will put all the results on the map, and essentially what you have is a visualization of a complete move, where people's existing locations are, and when their new workstations would be. Thank you for taking the time to take a look at Pinnacle BizTech's Simply Smart and PeopleFind applications. For more information or to schedule a demo, please contact Leslie Beckman or Chris Gillis.